Hello and welcome to this video. This video I'm going to show you how to make a few changes in your blog, and I hope you like the design. If you got any question, let me know. I'm here basically, and I can go back and make changes into your website if you want to. I know you've told me that the WP Robot auto plugin basically doesn't post images, and that's very true. That it's got some issue. And I've gone to their website actually, and I've gone through so many things and checked, and it's not that only you have a problem, but many other they do out there basically. And I think the developer is just trying to make changes and hopefully can solve this issue. However, in this particular plugin which you have, is going to have this problem anyway, and I hope in the future they do solve this issue. Let me just go to the this is what I've done so far. This is your website, and it's got the home menu. I have tried a lot into going into adding subcategories within your categories in here. I couldn't do that, so what I've done is I've added one to widget area, which each of them they go a category, as you can see in here, each of them. So this is the let's say the garden is a category, and then subcategories they are all the rest in here, and then home plans, and you got the subcategories as well, and then the rest, everything which you asked me to add them, I did add them so far. This is your RSS feeds, so user they can check your RSS feeds if they want to. So let's say I'm gonna click it for now, and it goes directly into your feeds. So this is your RSS feeds. Now the social slide in the right hand side, I just added as a demonstration for you to see it, right? When user they just go, they put the mouse over basically the slide open, then they can lag your page. If you want to change that, it's easy. Just go to settings, yes, and it says Facebook slide box, and then just paste the your Facebook fan page in here. Just paste the username of that fan page, and then you can change the size if you want in here, and then in the end just click on save. If you don't want this plugin, you can just go and disable it. Now I'm gonna go and tell you about the theme. The theme is called MagicSense, and to be honest with you, they cost something around 40 to 60 bucks, and but I installed it to you for free, and it's absolutely amazing theme. So I'm just gonna go and explain to you a few things. It's got its own settings. You can add your own AdSense code and everything else. So I'm going to be helping you step by step to achieve that. The logo, I have uploaded already the logo. So here is the logo, and it's saved into your website. So it's not like I have uploaded your logo into another website and just add the link in here. You can see that it's got your home URL, well, your website URL, sorry, and then I've saved it, and you can use the favicon as well. If you have any, you can just use in here. If you want to update the favicon in here, just go into media, add new, then once you add, grab that URL when you add that image, and then just paste in here, and then click on save, and you're done. Now theme style and color, you got so many. You can choose gray, orange, red, blue, and green. I choose green since it matches with the home and garden, so I chose green for now. And in the end, just you can click and save, and you can change the background color anyway if you want to. Now we come into the advertisement. Advertisement says very clearly 728 with 90. I've drawn well, screenshot basically, just showing you that if you add the advertisement banner, it's going to show right at the top, which means we can go back and it will show up here 728 with 90. And then you got the link unit as well, which you can add from AdSense, and it will be added just above your post. And you can add another banner if you want on the right hand side. I strongly suggest if you that's the best spot within your blog to add your advertisement, and in that case, you'll get a maximum pay-per-click if you add in on this places. Now is another one. Here is when it says 728 with 15, so you just add in here, and then single post under title, you can under title, it means just up here another banner you can add. And in this banner I'll suggest you 4, 6, 8 with 60 or 90, I think is called in AdSense. You can add in that as well. So that's in that way you have 3 banner and 1 link unit, and you are allowed to add 3 banners and 3 link unit. So if you want to add another 2 link unit, you can add somewhere around here. If no, then that's fine. By then, you can just leave it as it is. Now into pages, I have gone and created pages for you, and here is all your pages. This is all your pages. Now this with a line, it says that is subcategory. The one without line is the category. So if you want each of them, you can just go and post whatever you want to, like images, videos. Just click on edit, add whatever stuff you want to, and then when users they click on that garden design example, they're going to see whatever you've been posting there. So latest posts, as you can see in here, popular posts, recent posts are in here. I have because of the WP robot, it doesn't post images as I mentioned to you, so I have used a shall I say demo of this. It's going to be showing anyway every time your auto posting plugin is going to be posting stuff, I mean articles, then icon like this will show up. It will show this particular kind of image will show up basically. So what I've done is I put a URL of your website, your logo, whatever is in here, just I have lined up properly to show in each post. I think this way it looks absolutely fine and it matches everything about your website. I do hope you like it. If you don't, I'll just go back and change it into your theme. You can change it anyway, it's not very hard, just by going to themes, and your theme is still available, which is this one in here. I strongly suggest I choose this particular theme for you because it's called AdSense theme anyway, so it's made for the AdSense. And right now you can apply, if you want to, you can apply for AdSense account, and I guarantee you with this particular theme they have to accept you. So what you need to do now, I will do some more work for your blog. I will try to make sure your blog is indexed already into search engines. If it doesn't, then I'm going to submit your blog into search engines, and I'm going to install just a couple of more plugins to help your blog get indexed, and those plugins is going to be about Google itself basically. So then it will help all your posts get indexed whenever you publish a new post into your blog. I strongly suggest that you don't publish too many posts within the same day. Let's say if you publish 20 or 30 posts or 15 or whatever, then it will be automated post basically. That way Google may ban your website. But if you add 1 to 2 within 24 hours or 48 hours, then it's fine. So far I have I'm just gonna check the plugin. I believe I have set up to post something every 48 hours or something. So let's just go to edit and check for that. Okay, it says every 12 hours. I think I'm just gonna add this into every 25 hours. I will add it like that and just click on update campaign. And in here always, if you want, just choose the Flickr as default, and then it's gonna try to upload images on description box first, and then it will go for the rest. So I'm just gonna click on update, and then let's just go and try one post. So click on campaign. Since we made this update, and then I'm just gonna click on post now. So we go 8 posts so far. Let's see. Okay, and again. Campaign 1 copy. Okay, it's random is you keep changing. Okay, quick template setup, and I'm gonna click that update campaign. Now let me go to campaigns. I hope I haven't got 2 of them. Okay, so I haven't got that, that's fine. So you can click more keywords, and you just need to click the keyword you want the campaign to post. So kitchen design I'm going to choose for now. The reason this plugin it doesn't post because you get articles from websites which they haven't got any image in there. That's the problem. That's why it doesn't do that. Okay. Keywords, if you want, you can get from AdWords. You can get from them. So let's post 5 for now. Post now. It's taking a bit of time till it searches, since I'm trying to add 5 posts altogether, so it's going to try to pull up 5 posts and add them into your website. Okay, so 10 so far. Let me just go and refresh. And then see it added a picture already. So that means sometimes it does add a picture, so that's why I set up. So remember, whenever you set up your plugin, just go into the option campaigns, and then within campaigns you gotta do some tricks in here. See, you've added which you've done, but you haven't tried this disable models. And what you're gonna do in here, you disable, like every time you deselect one of the sites, that means that particular site is not going to be posted into your blog. So I have deselected that. I've just selected the articles, the Flickr, and you got the YouTube and RSS model, which you have done it so far. The rest of them, they are sites which some of them you don't really need to post into your website. And then click on save, and then when you go in, this is the first thing you do when you install the WP robot. Once you do that, you go and you create a new campaign. When you create a new campaign, then in here, just before you start any campaign whatsoever, you have to click on quick template setup. Once you do that, then you can start adding keywords, and you can start naming the campaign and adding time, and after how many hours you want the posting to do the job. And then in the end, just click on Flickr as a default. It means first it's going to start uploading image, then it's going to start getting the rest of the articles. It's going to get articles to whatever, and then from YouTube and the rest, and then publish into your post. This is how it works anyway. I hope this you like the designs I mentioned again. And please feel free to ask any question if you have. I don't really mind going back and making changes. I just want you as a customer to be 100% happy with the job I've done into your website. I'm here to help you. I'm not just gonna leave it with that. If you got absolutely any issue, and let's say they haven't accepted your application for AdSense, then we're gonna go back and we're gonna make sure they will accept your application, because they have to give you notice, they have to give a reason why they haven't accepted your application, just in case they don't do it. But if they do, then that's fine. I will help you install advertisement in your blog till you, as I mentioned to you, till you're 100% happy with that. I will have to mark the job as done for now. The reason behind it is that if I don't mark it now, example, the job will get late and then I get a low rating at Fiverr as well. So we don't want to do that. But as I mentioned to you, I'm here to help you, so I will be helping you. When you apply for AdSense, just to give you some suggestion, when you apply for AdSense, if you have applied in the past in your name, and then, or you had another account in your name and then you've been denied for that, or disabled account due to whatever reason behind that, then don't apply in your name. You can apply any name, then you use a family name. Don't use same Gmail account, use different Gmail account. It means create another one for this particular blog, and then when you apply with this URL. You can apply with the same home address. You can put if possible different phone number if it asks you. If you can't, then use the same phone number. That's fine. And hopefully to hear from them and get the the right answer, the answer you really want to. Sometimes they may give you a temporary code after your application has been accepted. That code, you need to install it into your blog. They want to make sure that the blog which has applied with AdSense is 100% yours. So if you go issue with that as well, I can go back and help you with that and install it for you. Till the end, basically, when you're happy with everything, then I'll leave it to you and then you carry on from there. In the meantime, I'm just saying, if you want in the future, when you get your AdSense account accepted, you can create subdomains within your main domain. So it will be something like, example, you got your own domain, it will be something like games, if you want to create another one, or car insurance and stuff like that. This you can create it when you go into your cPanel. You can create unlimited subdomain. Many hosting out there that let you do that. Some may not let you, so you gotta check that if you can create subdomains. If you can, then keep creating subdomains and creating new blogs and add advertisement in there, so you can maximize your earnings. You can use WP Robot into other subdomains as well, not just on the main domain. I hope this helps, and again, please feel free to ask any question if you have, and if something you're not happy with, I can just go install or delete or remove or add or whatever you want to, just so you can be happy with that. Thanks for watching.